Hello guys, today I have the CMF Buds 1 and I'm going to show you how to change the ear tips in this device. The first thing that you need to do is open the case and take your earbud. So let's assume that this is the earbud, and this is the earbud, but let's assume that I want to change the earbuds in this device. At first we need to, as you can see, unwing our ear tip and do something like this with our fingers. When it's like this, it means that it's halfway after. Now here you need to pull this with your nail and take it off like this. Very easy. Now let's assume that this is the new ear tip. It's the same, but it's new. And now you need to, oh my goodness, I don't want. Now you need to take this ear tip and unwing it as it's here. And now try to position this like this so that you will see that it's like this and like this. As you can see, it has its side. It's now good, and now it's good too. You need to position this like this, and here use some strength and try to do some circular movement, place it, and now as you can see we are good to go. Like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.